This is a brand new 2012 Ford Focus. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, full power accessories, a CD player, a four-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, air conditioning, and a multi-link rear suspension. With an EPA estimated rating of 36 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Grindstaff Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2214 West Elk Avenue in Elizabeth.